Along with the suitable soil and other conditions, the suitable season is also very much important. We need to consider proper seasons for growing particular crops. Summer crops should be sown prior to the summer. Same for the winter and monsoon crops. So when you're planning your garden, you have to plan according to the season. So here I mentioned few summer crops, winter crops, and the monsoon crops. So when you're starting your garden or when you are starting any crop, so you can start sowing the seeds approximately 40 days um, before the season starts, so that they mature on time, and during their growth period they get the suitable conditions they require for fruiting and flowering. Some of crops and the duration they take to mature. According to me, the easiest crops that can be grown are tomatoes, then potato, and the chilies even, and spinach. So these are the easiest crops to grow. So when you're starting your garden, if you're doing it for the first time, go for these crops. Even the ginger and garlic, they take 7 to 8 months for maturing, for maturity. So it is a long process. So you have to plan as per your requirements. So if you don't want to wait, don't go for these plants, these crops. Instead of that, you can go for some other easy to grow. So suppose the spinach, it matures in 1.5 months, so you can grow a lot of spinach. It is used in our daily food. So there are many leafy vegetables that can you can try. Even potatoes, they mature in 3 months. So potatoes is also not a bad idea to if you don't want to wait. Even capsicum and tomatoes are easy to grow. So this is how we can plan our garden.